here, and it's time. It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the person holding the firework, the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro, I hate to ask you, but what are you holding in your hands?
Triple Shock Crackling Balls.
And who are they from?
TopGun.
That was his voice, people. Top Gun fireworks. And there's nothing better in the world of safe and sane is to have these giant crackling balls. And yes, BBQ Rando said balls. So, that's what they are, right? So we're going to flip it over. There is a small performance. And Ziggy's here, everybody. Ziggy. All right. And real simple. Performance is big crackling for triple times. Triple balls. There we go. Top Gun, fireworks.com. Now, Sergeant Pyro, if you flip it over one more time, you know, Christmas, New Year's, 4th of July fireworks celebration in Arizona. Where can people get these?
The only place they need to go is Santan Fireworks.
Santan Fireworks. SantanFireworks.com, the #1 retailer in the state of Arizona, in the Southwest. 60 locations in Arizona, 2 locations in New Mexico. Go to SantanFireworks.com for the best selection, the best prices, and the best quality. Don't go to the other guy. Back up and go across the street to Santan Fireworks. All right. Whew. Tell you what, these are always exciting. And, well, you know, Sergeant Pyro, let's just see how big these balls are. You ready to go to the street?
Yes, sir. Let's get them rolling.
Let's light those balls. All right, we got our 3 big balls. Yes, we're going to light them. I was speechless. All right, we're going to do one at a time. Get ready. Whoa. Whoa. Triple balls. That was great. All right, Sergeant Pyro, be careful.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So actually, we're getting 9 shots.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, 9 crackle balls.